Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Pains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Ford Mustang Coupe EcoBoost, stock reference number 4074. This shape runs from the 8th month 2015 through to the current shape. It has an EcoBoost 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine backed by an automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. The EcoBoost 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo-petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with factory 19-inch alloy mags. The left front has a bald tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left side skirt is pretty tidy. Left rear, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. It's got a tidy rear park sensor bumper cover. Left-hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console, automatic type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.